Here we are going to study how to draw a cam profile with roller follower without offset. That means the follower type is radial. Okay. So roller follower. What is the difference between knife edge and a roller follower? In the knife edge follower, the trace point is at the tip of the knife edge, which is lying on the base circle. Okay. And in the roller follower, the trace point is at the center of the roller. Okay. So I am taking a roller of diameter 10. Then the trace point will be 5 mm above the base circle. Okay. So in the knife edge follower, the trace point is lying on the base circle. In the roller follower, the trace point is lying away from the base circle. Okay. Trace point decide two curves. One is the prime circle and other is the pitch curve. Okay. In knife edge follower, the prime circle and base circle are same and the pitch curve and cam profile are same. But in the roller follower case, the base circle and prime circle will be different. The pitch curve and the cam profile will be different. We can see it in the following diagram. Okay. So in the question, here given the follower type is roller follower, minimum radius of the cam is 25 mm, lift is 30 mm, roller diameter 50 mm. The follower motion is given, speed of the cam is 150 rpm and the direction is given clockwise. So I have drawn the follower displacement diagram. Okay. Here the rise of the follower is 150 degree with constant acceleration and deceleration followed by dwell. Then return for 120 degree using SHM and again followed by dwell. Okay. So follower diagram going to the cam profile. So minimum radius of the cam is 25. So I am drawing a base circle of minimum radius 25. That means diameter 50. Okay. Then you have to draw a prime circle. Okay. This one is a base circle and this one is the prime circle. Okay. The prime circle radius is base circle radius plus roller radius. What is roller radius? Here in the question, the roller diameter is given as 15 mm. So the roller radius will be 7.5. So base circle radius 25 plus 7.5 it will be 32.5. So I have drawn a base circle and a roll and a prime circle with radius diameter 65. That means radius 32.5. Then we have to draw a vertical line from the center in the upward direction. That will be the line of action of the follower. Now we have to draw the follower. Here the follower type is roller follower. Okay. So you have to draw a roller of diameter 15, which is given in the question. So the center of the roller will be the intersection of the vertical line and the prime circle. Prime circle is the outer circle. Okay. Prime circle will be the outer circle. So center will be the intersection of the prime circle and this vertical line. You have to draw it using a compass. Okay. Now the major importance is prime circle. Base circle has minimum importance. Okay. We do all the partition, division and all on the prime circle. Okay. After that you can draw a line connecting the center and the intersection and the center of the roller. Okay. And in the question there is a direction given clockwise. In all questions it may not be given. If it is given, you have to give the partition in this direction. Okay. So here the speed of the cam is 150 rpm in the clockwise direction. So give the partition in the clockwise direction. Okay. If any direction is not specified, you can give it in anywhere, clockwise or counterclockwise. So the division is 150 degree, 30 degree, 120 degree and 60 degree. So the division is in the clockwise direction. So the 150 degree, 30 degree, 120 degree and 60 degree. So the division is completed. Okay. The division is completed. Now you have to partition 150 and 120 degree according to the follower diagram. In the follower diagram, 150 degree is divided into 6 partition and 120 degree is divided into 6 partition. So here the division is made. 150 degree into 6 partition is made and 120 degree into 6 partition are also made. Okay. After that, number it 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to 30. Make sure the numbering is correct based on the follower diagram. Here 150 degree end at 6, 120 degree start at 7 and 30. We can check that. 150 degree end at 6, 120 degree start at 7 and end at 30. After that, you have to mark the distance from the follower diagram. That is 1 1 dash 2 2 dash 3 3 dash 4 4 dash, like that up to 12 12 dash. I have marked the distance 1 1 dash. I have marked 2 2 dash. Okay, mark according to the distance and mark the dash points. Okay, so it's 1 dash 2 dash up to 30. Okay, after that join all the dash points. I am joining all the dash points. That is, these all are all my dash points. Okay, after 13 continue with the prime circle up to 0. Okay, so the profile I have drawn is ending on the prime circle, not on the base circle. If it is all on the base circle only, you can give it as a cam profile. So this curve is called as pitch curve. Okay, this curve is called as pitch curve. And now for drawing the cam profile, you have to draw a circle of radius 7.5. That is roller radius on all dash points. That is, I am drawing it here as 15. That is diameter of the. On 2 dash I am drawing. On 3 dash I am drawing. Like that, on all point you have to draw. All dash point you have to draw the circle. If it is difficult to draw a circle, you can also draw an arc. Okay, that is radius is 7.5. Okay. Draw an arc like this. This can be also done. You can draw an arc or draw a circle. Okay, on all dash points. So here is the figure. I have drawn an arc or a circle. I have drawn for an arc. You can draw circle either way. Okay, after drawing the circle, connect a curve which is running smooth onto the roller. Okay, so I am connecting a curve. You cannot select the intersection point. If you are selecting the intersection point, you can see I have selected the intersection point. So in the intersection point, the curve passes over the roller. That is not possible. You have to pass the curve at the bottom of the roller. Okay, as a smooth curve. For that, I am drawing. Okay, so I have selected this point, then this point. Okay, connect a curve so that 1 minute. There is some mistake. Connect a curve that is smooth to the roller. Okay. That is going smooth with the roller. Okay. So I have like this. You have to connect up to 30. So this is my figure. So I have connected a curve passing through the base of the roller as a smooth one, not the intersection. Here the intersection is this one. I have drawn the curve through the base of the roller. Okay. Make sure it does not overlap with the roller. That is the condition. So this will be our cam profile. Okay. So there are two extra components in this. One is prime circle and another is pitch curve. That occurs because the trace point is away from the base circle. In knife edge follower, the trace point is lying on the base circle. So the prime circle and base circle are same, and the pitch curve and the cam profile are same. But in this case, both are different. So that is the difference when we are using a roller follower. Thank you.